Today on Tucker Time, I'm going to show you how to make magic color-changing Easter eggs. All you need is hard-boiled eggs, hot water with adult supervision, a half a cup of frozen wild blueberries, butterfly pea flowers, red hibiscus flowers. You can also use the red hibiscus tea bags, red cabbage, ground turmeric, and vinegar. You know what's special about these eggs? They change color like magic. How do they do it? Because they're pH indicators. I'm going to show you how to make the dye. First, you're going to need containers for each one. Take your ingredients and dump in each cup. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Now pour some hot water in the cups. Use just enough to cover the eggs. For the red cabbage, you have to boil it in a pot for a few minutes and let it steep for about an hour. You need to add a tablespoon of vinegar to the butterfly pea powder and the cabbage. Add additional vinegar if needed, just a little at a time. This will help the colors set, and you will achieve a darker color. Now lower an egg in each cup. If you want a speckled effect on your eggs like this, leave all the leaves in your cup, otherwise strain them out. Now let your eggs sit for a few hours or overnight. Now get some toothpaste, ginger ale, it's green, baking soda, lemon juice, and vinegar. I already had some eggs ready to go, so let's get started. First, mix a little water with your toothpaste. Then, choose your first egg carefully. Ooh, do you see how bright pink that got? That's because lemon juice is an acid. Look at it. Ooh. I'm using the lemon juice on this one. Now I'm going to drip some onto the egg and see if it changes. The dyes we made are natural pH indicators. That means its color will change when an acid or a base comes in contact with it. The turmeric egg didn't really have a dramatic effect, but the lemon juice and vinegar made it a much brighter yellow. The toothpaste didn't do anything. This one wasn't really exciting. Blueberry eggs.
What happened?
It turned gray.
It turned back?
Purple, green, purple, purple, green, green, purple, purple, green. And change it back with baking soda. Ooh. Lemon juice. Oh. Okay, mine first. Now yours. Lemon juice.
Ooh.
Watch how cool this is. Shake on the baking powder and wash it away. Now make it change again. Vinegar. You could do it again and again and again, and in different ways too. Baking soda. Whoa.
Ooh, look at that.
Toothpaste. Ooh. I hope you liked my video. I did color changing Easter eggs. Have fun making some magic on your own. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time! Can I eat it?
Sure.
Is that good?